I'm an honest man, I'm gonna tell you. We're gonna go to that was 1973, and so this is 1974. And I was working on an album for Casey and the Sunshine Band. This record had just come out. They wanted some more music. And I was in the studio, and I came up with this other song, but I didn't feel like it was a song that, that I had in my mind that I would do. So I gave it to another artist at TK. And little did I know the impact this song I wrote was going to have on American history, musical history, how it was going to influence other groups, how it was going to influence music, how it was going to change the sound of music, and all the things that were going to come from this one song. And I learned part of that from the advent of Wikipedia. When I was reading an article about ABBA, and I came across an article, and ABBA said that this song that I had written influenced them to write a song called Dancing Queen. I thought, well damn, if I didn't write this song, we never would have heard Dancing Queen, I think. And then I got a text a year ago or whatever from a friend of mine, and he said, hey bro, do you realize that John Lennon said that that's the one song he wished he would have written? And I thought, John Lennon and the Beatles wished he would have written this song. I thought, damn, that's pretty good. And then I read another article about John Lennon and found out that this song actually influenced him to write a song called Whatever Gets You Through the Night. And then there was that song by Dr. Hook, when you're in love with a beautiful woman, stretch your eyes. See, it goes right into this song. I had no idea. Anyway, it was my first #1 song as a songwriter. It came out in 1974 by George McRae, and it went just like this. If you want security, let them have fun. One more time. Rock with me. Take me in your arms, rock me, baby. Take me in your arms, rock me, baby. There's nothing to it. Just say you wanna do it. Open up your heart. Come on now. Let the loving start. Take me in your arms. See what? Oh yeah. Come on now. Take me in your arms. Rock me, baby. Hold me tight. All in my nice shirt. Now let your love flow. Show 'em now. Feel sweet and slow. Take me in your arms, rock me, baby. Oh, you sound so good. Take me in your arms, rock me, baby. Everybody rock with me now. Come on. Rock, rock. Rock, baby. Come on, sing the song, here we go. See what? Oh, I can't hear ya. Take me in your arms. Rock me. Come on, rock me. Say what? Oh.